Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing the most dangerous topic, that is city creation. That is basically containing 20% error. So, one of the person told that the text box creation, basically, you just now told basically that is created from the thousand cities. So, the people who created the text box city, basically, that is text box equal to thousand city exist. That also word was used. So that person basically who created this text box equal to thousand cities, and thousand city basically know that in this text box basically these all are the words basically which is going to be used. So that word basically which is going to be used, that was basically the Oxford Dictionary group basically given you the word basically that these all are the word basically going to be used in the IT industry, because they don't know them basically. They don't know basically the word of IT industry. And there are few people basically told that basically IT industry means it's connected with all the sectors, no, basically. Then he told that yes, basically you are correct. So all sectors basically are going to use this softwares basically which are going to create and which are going to be created and which is going to use the text box. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically. So all sector basically are words basically are connected. So we have basically 4 crore words basically. That all words basically are they are going to use 100% basically. So that's why basically we have given these words basically. We have the proof also of that mail basically, that see basically this word basically we have sent to Russian, Chinese and Japanese and the USA and the European and the people basically who are into the creation of text box equal to thousand cities data. Then he told that basically okay, you have taken the print, yeah, basically we have taken the printout also, and we have sent the facts also that these all are the words basically, and we have kept the proof also that basically we have sent the words of list basically, this many words of list basically we have sent. Then basically they told that okay basically, so according to basically Mumbai basically is containing how many buildings basically of the IT infrastructure. Then he told that basically more than 3 lakh basically. Exact figure tell basically. Exact figure basically you can say that basically 3,50,000 basically. Then he told that okay basically. So 3,50,000 basically is created from which all data basically. Then he told that few buildings are created from text box equal to thousand cities. Few buildings are basically created from combo box equal to thousand cities. Few buildings are basically created from 2000 cities equal to checkbox, and that 2000 energy basically. So like this basically we are the buildings are basically created 3,50,000 building. Just basically can you please elaborate that basically in detail basically. Then he told that basically the text box is created from the people basically who gets the projects basically, the business development officer basically, who are basically of the software industry basically, that are basically the nuclear power company basically who designs the project basically, that we want this type of projects basically. And what how they design that basically we have already taken in the previous lecture basically, how basically the business development designs the software selling part basically, they that basically they basically have designed the each and every 3,50,000 buildings basically. Then he told that okay basically, so 3,50,000 building is designed how basically. Then they few business development told that basically we are giving the projects of text box only to this building. That means you want to say that building is created only from the text box energy, that is thousand cities, that is this thousand cities. There that basically cities energies are creating the that buildings are basically also created in this Mumbai city. Yes basically, few data basically are mixed basically, that need to find basically which all are the mixed data. And few infotech park also basically are there in the Mumbai city. That data also basically we need to found basically for entire park basically is created from the only text box, or basically they have used combo box, check box equal to thousand cities energies also basically. That basically need to check basically. Then he told that okay, yeah, basically that need to check. So one of the biggest software company raised their his hand and basically told that basically we have the data basically of the text box equal to thousand cities, and this building is created from the text box equal to thousand cities, and this thousand city energy was used in this text box create this building creation basically. Then that's very great thing basically you have done basically. So can you please give me that list basically. Then he told that yes basically we have the list. So they basically given this city list basically, And like this basically they told that basically that's a great stuff basically you have done, because we are actually trying to solve out basically so that basically all people can work from the Infotech Park and the building, that is 3,15,000, 3,50,000 building easily without any error. That is 20% error basically. Because if you are going to work and basically anything is going to happen to your body parts, that is going to affect the environment only. Why? Because they are Infotech Park basically people basically are going to come out from the buildings, then they will spread the energy. That basically will affect the entire the entire Mumbai city basically. Then one of the person told that is the building basically which is created in the house basically, that basically is containing the text box equal to thousand cities. That basically need to check here basically, because that building basically is created for the from the residential purpose, na? Then he told that that might be containing the text box combo, all mixed data basically. Then he told that okay. Because in residence basically not only basically the software people stay, doctor also stays, MBB also stays, engineer stays, hardworking people stays. Then basically the MBA group stays, MTech people stays. So all people stays there basically. Then he told that okay. There basically mixed data might be there, but there also need to check basically whether they are able to work properly or not basically. So that about the residence part basically. Like this basically the residence area is created. So one of the person told that basically this basically building is created from text box equal to thousand cities, right basically. So that person told that basically text box equal to thousand cities. So whatever project basically you are going to do basically, that is going to directly connect to the text box equal to thousand cities, and that thousand cities basically is going to increment. Increment means that thousand city basically is going to increase basically their infrastructure basically. That basically is equal to project basically. Then he told that yes basically we basically have that data basically. According to that only basically the nuclear power company and the power company and the energy company has created the projects, and they have given to the certain level of companies like Reliance, IPCL, ONGCs, Ames Oxygen and IPCL. So like this basically we have given the data to like this company basically. Then he told that okay basically. So like this basically you have given the data to this all companies. Then he told that yes basically we have given. So like this one of the person told that basically like this basically you have given the data and you have created the projects and you have divided the projects to the servers, right basically. Dell's computer, Compaq computer, as per the software company basically purchase the data, purchase the server basically, they basically gets the project. So one of the person told that basically you basically sells the your Dell laptop or the Compaq laptop according to the building basically infrastructure which is created. Yes basically our business development officer basically know that each and everything basically, that this building basically is only going to get the text box project because the infrastructure of the project basically is text box equal to thousand cities. So according to that the business development told that basically we know basically the how the development basically has happened of the infrastructure, that is text box equal to thousand cities, and how basically the 3,50,000 building are created of the Mumbai city. And people basically we are trying to find out basically, sorry, we are trying to basically adjust the people basically there so that they can work easily in that building basically without any damage. Otherwise basically their body will damage, then basically they will come out and they will spoil the environment basically. So due to IT industry, that is the 3,50,000 building, the entire Mumbai basically can't suffer. So that's why we are trying to solve out basically the problem basically. For that basically we are using the number one company also basically. So in next video basically we are going to see about the how the 3,50,000 building data basically, that are text box equal to thousand cities, combo box are basically the software companies basically into group basically, and the nuclear power company, energy company and the power company are going to solve this problem. In next video basically we are going to see this.